Alright, hey everyone, welcome to my Patreon intro video. I never thought I'd be making this sort of a video, and that story, the longer version is linked below, but if you are new to my channel, I am a stay-at-home mom of two little ones. I've got a 2-year-old daughter and a 3-month-old son, and I make heirlooms, smocks, clothes, whatever, for them, classic sewing, heirloom sewing. I love it all. I eat it up. It is absolutely my passion, and I'm excited to be on here. Even though I never thought I'd be joining Patreon, I'm excited with the idea of bringing more videos to you, better quality videos to you, all of that jazz. Like I said, the longer version is down below, but this is the short and sweet. I am on Patreon. I appreciate any support that you are willing to give. I really appreciate, and like I said, it's to have more videos and to have better quality videos. The lowest tier starts at $1 a month, so $12 a month sort of thing, and I am open to any sort of constructive criticism as far as what the tiers have to offer. With any amount of contribution, you'll be getting something in return, not just the free videos that I have on YouTube, but something additional. So that's all very fluid. I'm new to this whole Patreon. I'm open to constructive criticism, what you get on each tier, like I said. But that is the short and sweet. I am on Patreon, although it's been like a year in the making of me not wanting to be on Patreon, but just kind of giving into the idea that I'm not going to get from ad revenue what. Anyway, that long version is down below. But I'm on Patreon. Like I said, I appreciate anything you are able to give, you're willing to give, whatever. And I hope to catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.